Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 2 equal 2, 2 equal 4, 2 equal 8, 2 equal 16, then 2 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell. Because here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. Now 2 equal 2. So we know that 2 times 1 is 2. Now 2 equal 4. How? If I'll multiply 2 with the answer of the first one, the above one, so it's 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now 2 times the answer of the above case is 4 here. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, then 16. Answer multiply the above one 8 is 16. So what is 2 equal question mark? 2 multiply answer of the above case 16. So 2 times 16 is 32. So what replace the question mark? 32. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.